Good afternoon, this is Lee from Source Sounds. Just giving you a quick demonstration of the new KENWOOD radio we fitted into this 2014 Vauxhall Vivaro. So you can see there we've fitted the DMX7520DABS. This unit features DAB radio along with FM radio. You've got Bluetooth streaming. We have a single USB connection, and from here you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity. So I just go onto the Apple CarPlay, there you go. See, we've retained the factory USB socket at the top. So we've just got the phone plugged in. And see, it's the wired connection. And then on this vehicle, we have also retained the steering wheel controls. So you can see there, the volume is turning up and down. And that's off this stalk here at the side. Thank you for watching. Any further information, if you want to give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you very much for watching.